Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to enable auto switch to air receiver in Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. So okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you all have to do is go to setting in your Realme 5 mobile phone. Okay guys, here in settings, scroll down and find the convenient tools. Okay, click this. And okay guys, here in convenient tools, okay, you can see the gestures in motion. Okay, click gesture in motion. And okay guys, here in gesture in motion, okay, in motion, you can see the auto switch to air receiver. And okay guys, on the right side, okay, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, if the auto switch to air receiver is on, automatically switch to the receiver when you left your phone to your ear. And okay guys, we enable the auto switch to air receiver by switching the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, we have successfully enabled the auto switch to air receiver in your Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. So okay guys, thank you for watching.